How to improve your credit score. Fast. What if I told you that in just 30 days, you could drastically improve your credit score and unlock financial freedom? Imagine qualifying for that dream apartment, securing a lower interest rate on loans, or even getting that shiny new car with a favorable financing deal. Stay tuned, because in this video, we're going to uncover the top 5 ways you can improve your credit score fast, starting today. Let's start with the truth. Bad credit can be a major roadblock in your financial journey. It feels like you're stuck in quicksand, right? You need credit to build wealth. If you're tired of being held back by your credit score, you're not alone. And here's the shocking part. Improving it could be faster than you think, if you know where to start. Hold up. I know what you're thinking. But my credit score is so bad, it's like a nightmare. Well, let me tell you something. You can still turn things around. Now, are you ready for the game changer? Let's dive into the first strategy that could boost your score quickly. Point 1. Check your credit report for errors. First things first, let's talk about something most people overlook: checking your credit report for errors. Believe it or not, up to 1 in 5 Americans have errors on their credit reports, and those mistakes could be dragging your score down. Maybe someone else's debt is showing up under your name, or maybe a payment was marked late when you were actually on time. These mistakes can cause unnecessary damage to your score. The good news? You can fix them quickly. You might be thinking, wait, how did that even happen? It's more common than you think. But don't worry, all you need to do is dispute those errors and get them removed. But that's just the start. There's another strategy that can give your credit score an even bigger boost. Keep watching. Point 2, pay your bills on time. The second strategy, paying your bills on time. I know, it sounds basic, but here's the reality. Payment history makes up 35% of your credit score. That means paying bills late can have a huge negative impact on your score. But what if you've missed payments before? Well, it's not too late to get back on track. Set up automatic payments or reminders. Anything to ensure you never miss a deadline again. I mean, come on, who likes the feeling of being late? And you're probably thinking, what if I have too many bills to juggle? Well, hang tight, we're about to dive into a clever trick that could save your credit. This next strategy could be your secret weapon for boosting that score. Fast. Let's talk about it. Point 3, reduce credit card balances. Okay, here's the third strategy, reducing your credit card balances. If you're carrying a balance over 30% of your credit limit, it's time to pay it down. When you use too much of your available credit, it signals to lenders that you might be a high-risk borrower. The good news? By paying down your balances, you'll quickly improve your credit utilization ratio, which can lead to a noticeable boost in your credit score. I know what you're thinking, but how can I pay this down with my budget? Don't worry, we'll talk about how to tackle this in a way that won't leave you broke. But wait, there's a way to give yourself an even bigger advantage. It's an insider trick most people don't even know about. Are you ready to hear it? Point 4, become an authorized user. Next, let's talk about a strategy that can give you an instant boost: becoming an authorized user on someone else's credit card. When you're added as an authorized user, their positive payment history becomes part of your credit report. This can instantly improve your score, especially if the person you're being added to has a solid payment history and low credit utilization. Isn't this like getting a free pass on improving your credit? Who knew your parents' credit card could be your ticket to success? But we're not done yet. There's one last secret that could skyrocket your score in no time. Point 5, use a credit builder loan. Lastly, let's talk about credit builder loans. These loans are designed specifically to help people with limited or poor credit history. The way they work is simple. You borrow a small amount, and instead of getting the money up front, the lender holds it in an account until you've paid it back. As you make on-time payments, you're building a positive credit history, which directly impacts your score. The best part? You're not borrowing money you don't need, and you're proving you can manage credit responsibly. There you have it, 5 strategies that can help you improve your credit score fast. But here's the catch. The key to success is consistency. If you apply these strategies and stick with them, your credit score will be unrecognizable in just a few months. So, what are you waiting for? Start taking action today and get closer to that financial freedom you've been dreaming of. Your future self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and share this with your friends who need to hear it too. And remember, every journey to wealth starts with a single step. Make today that step. See you in the next video.